Persons living with disabilities from different parties vying for elective posts in the forthcoming general elections today came together to express their concern over how political parties are discriminating them as far as party affairs are concerned. Led by the National Coordinator of the Albinism Society of Kenya, they asked political parties to abide by the constitution that has a provision for persons with disabilities to be included in party affairs.
We therefore wish to issue the following communique. Number one, that political parties should adhere to the provisions of the Political Parties Act and the constitutional and fully include persons with disabilities in their affairs. This is not a matter of choice. It is by law, and we are concerned that political parties are taking us for granted. They just want us to look like we are just there as flower girls or flower boys, isn't it?
Yes.
And we want to have full participation. We want to be involved in political rallies. We want to be given opportunity to address the crowd and also state our agenda.
Yes.
We don't just want to be seen there because the law demands that we should be there.
The issue of allocation of funds during this campaign period also came up during the conference, as those vying for elective posts footed claims about not receiving any funding from their respective parties to conduct their campaigns, as well as being denied a forum during the campaigns to address the public and sell their ideas.
We also demand that political parties should put proper measures to support candidates who are going for first past the post position, because they are also allocated funding by the government. And we do not feel that our candidates are getting enough support, as should be the case.
They also voiced their demands on how they should be represented in the next government, failure to which they will go to court to fight for their right for inclusion.
We also demand at least 4 parliamentary seats out of the 12 nomination slots. This is not a question of sympathy or tokenism. This is a question of our rights. It's a question of our rights. And we also demand that at least 2 county assembly members, a man and a woman in all the 47 counties, should be nominated to represent persons with disabilities.
They were also concerned with the fact that the IBC has not yet gazetted the names of those nominated by political parties. They called upon the IEBC to work closely with the Council of Persons with Disabilities to verify the status of those nominated in the party lists. Annette Akisa, GBS News.